Figured I'd show just a quick stitch tutorial. Right now I'm working with a bunch of scraps of Magic Glitz from Ice yarns, and I caked them up, tied them all together. I'm just doing a blanket, chain however many you want, as long as it's got an even number of stitches. I did, and then in the second stitch from the hook, you'll do a single crochet, and then you'll do a double crochet. Those are both US terms, in the same chain, and then you'll skip a chain and then go into the next chain and do the same thing across, ending with a single crochet at the end of the row. And then you turn around, do the same thing. So we're doing a single crochet, a double crochet, skipping that double crochet that was from the previous row, going into where the single crochet is, doing a single crochet, and then a double crochet. It goes pretty quick. Now say we're at the end of the row here. We'll just pretend. So I'm coming up on the end, doing my single crochet, a double crochet, and now here's my last little cluster. Right at the end, I'm going to do a single crochet, chain one, and turn. And then in where that single crochet went, I'm going to do a single crochet, a double crochet, and then go to where the next double crochet is, and go into where the single crochet was from the previous row. Do a single crochet and a double crochet.